In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best crab traps that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Promar Crab Trap. Effective and efficient, the best collapsible crab trap is made by Promar. The Promar Collapsible Crab Trap is a popular design that is used by processional fishermen, commercial fishermen, scientists, and recreational trappers who are all eager to test their luck at catching crabs. The collapsible design is easily portable and eliminates the need for fishermen to carry more bulk, which helps lighten their load. This design can also be easily baited and set in seconds, which is great for beginner trappers who are learning the sport. 2 ramp-style entrances lead the crabs to the bait bag, where they'll happily stay feasting on a free meal. Number 2. Kufa Casting Crab Trap. The Kufa Casting Crab Trap has a unique design that can be cast by hand or with a fishing rod, which means you can drop it precisely where you need or throw it into the deep depths to maximize your catch. With 100 feet of smooth casting braided rope, you can easily use this crab trap on the dock, shore, or boat to target a variety of crab species. The lightweight design is portable, and the included bait bag is the perfect accessory you need to get started catching crabs. Cast by hand or with a fishing rod, so you can drop it into place or throw it into the deep depths. 100 feet of smooth casting braided rope can be used on a dock, shore, or boat. Number 3. South Bend Crab Trap. Made of the highest quality materials, the South Bend Crab Trap is the best wire mesh crab trap that is durable for the most extreme trappers. The metal wire is strong and features a tight weave design to keep crabs secure once they are trapped inside. It is rust resistant to ensure that the door is always easy to open, so you can use it throughout the years. The large square can hold a large amount of smaller crabs, which makes it a great choice as a blue crab trap. Rust-resistant feature ensures you'll always be able to open the trap door. Number 4. F.J. Neal Snap Crab Trap. The F.J. Neal Snap Crab Trap is the best folding crab trap that has 2 large side entryways to maximize the amount of crabs that can find their way to the bait. The box design is durable and securely holds crabs but is also collapsible. This crab trap easily folds completely flat for fast storage and simple transportation, which means you can take it from the car to the boat without a struggle. When you want to expand the trap, you can simply pull on the take-up lines and it self-assembles so that it is always ready to use. It could if you wanted it to, but I would leave it unfolded after you open it the first time so you can keep it clean. Number 5. Promar Folding Crab Trap. The more entrances a crab trap has, the more you're optimizing your chances of making a catch, and the Promar Folding Crab Trap has 4 small hole entrances to let all the curious crabs into your trap. For safety, if you can't ever retrieve your trap, there are also 2 escape rings. With a hinged tending door, you can easily set the bait and retrieve your crabs without getting pinched. The entire design collapses flat for easy portability to any location. With a corrosion-resistant coating, this trap will serve you throughout the years as your search for Dungeness, stone, and rock crabs to eat.